Hello, Mountain Chic family. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share with a friend, and definitely leave some comments down below. Today's craft is going to be a little bit different. For people that follow me on Facebook and Instagram, they've been sending me messages asking me about my glue gun stand. Who knew? All right, so I'm going to do a really short, quick video on that. Also, I've been asked about the wood beads. Some of them I have made, and some of them I actually bought. I bought the little white ones that were in my 3-tier video. That was actually a necklace that I bought at Goodwill. But I do make my own, or I string my own, and so I'm going to show you how I did that. All right, so stay tuned and let's get to crafting. I picked up my wood beads at Joann's, but look for coupons because they can be a little bit pricey. And then the little wood chips with the hole in it, I got that at a store called At Home. But if you don't have that store, if you don't find those, you can always use like a button. Something like that would be really cute. I tied a double knot on each end after I was done stringing the beads and the wood chips. And then to make my tassel, and you'll see it's a little rough around the edges, but that's the look I'm looking for. It's very mountain chic. I kind of like my tassels, like my hair, a little messy and tousled. So if you don't like it messy like that, you can leave it a little bit longer. And then, or you can even buy better jute. My jute is from the Dollar Tree. But I like it. I think it just really adds to the charm. Also notice that one side of this loop is bigger than the other side, and there's a reason for that. So you want one loop to be a lot bigger than the other side. Once I have cut the loops, I go to the smaller loop, I cut it, and then I spread it apart, kind of flattening it so that I can attach it with some hot glue. And then I take the little jute tail, and I go ahead and wrap that around and secure it with some hot glue. You want these beads to last. Ah, super duper cute, don't you think? And a lot less expensive. All right, for my glue stand, and this does work for all types of glue guns, and I already had glued the little cup, but everything you just glue down, the little votive to catch the drips, and then I used the building block to help secure my standing glue gun. I just used a piece of shiplap that we had left over after doing a shiplap wall. So you can use even a Dollar Tree cutting board.
something like that. And I didn't show it in this, but it's so awesome because I can just loop the cord in between the votive and the cup, and it's so easy to store. The nice thing is I got the I bought the votives and the cup all at the Dollar Tree, and so you don't really have to put Vaseline in the votive because really I think they come 3 or 4 in a pack. So if it got all junky with glue, you could always just pull it off and put a new one on there. But I like to put the Vaseline in there because then the drips from the glue gun just come right out. It's amazing. It's wonderful. I hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you next time.